Good morning. So today I'm in the wonderful Abel Tzaman and heading towards a beach called Tipukattia Bay, and it is absolutely stunning here. Have a look behind me, it's so beautiful. So the subject of today's video is this: going minimal. And what I mean by that is not about the subject matter, it's all about gear. Taking as little gear as possible to do the job that you need to do. So today I've got my GoPro. I've got no external mics or anything to it, just so I can keep it waterproof and also keep it minimal. And then I've got my trusty think tank holster bag with my Nikon Z7 in it, and that is that. Now, for most things, that is actually all you need. So let's go and explore, and because we're going minimal, we can explore further. Okay, so first thing is then, before we go down to the bay, there's just a couple of points I really want to zoom into here. I'm going to be working about kind of 150 to 200 mil. There's little islands spaced out to sea, and they're just absolutely fantastic. So the water is so calm at the moment. So I'm going to try and take my ISO as down as much as I possibly can handheld, which is probably going to be about 200, and let's see what we can do. In this composition, I was photographing a boat coming into the harbour as well, and that just adds to it. It's really beautiful. The light of the boat is reflecting off the water. You're going to get one just with the boat on its own. Now, because you've got a moving subject, you need to bump your ISO up so you don't get movement in the subject itself. Yeah, that's looking good. Beautiful. Right, let's crack on and see what we can find. Here we are. The sun is rising over this beautiful place. Look at this beach. It's insane. And look at that sun. Gorgeous. Right. Sorry, a bit hot and sweaty now. Wanted to make it down for the sunrise, but let's take some photographs. This is awesome. Such a beautiful, peaceful place here in Abel Tzaman. It really is. It's fantastic. So, I've been shooting at 24mm, and then I've been shooting about 150mm, 24mm to get the whole sunrise, the whole beach in, and just get a bit of context. And then 150 to just zoom into that beautiful sun. So here goes. bracketing on 3 exposures. It's quite cloudy, so you might need to do a bit of HDR and put those brackets together. This beautiful, gentle sun is rising. I mean, it's going into the clouds, but it's making this incredible pastel colours on the mountain behind, like you'll see in my shots in a minute. So I think that's about it for sunrise this morning. But those beautiful kind of subtle layers of colour are absolutely stunning. The sun literally came out for about 5 minutes, no less, 2 minutes. But one of the things about landscape photography is you always think it's going to be really idyllic. Part of it is legging it towards the sun. Or legging it towards anything to get the right viewpoint. Back to going minimal. So, thing is, the sound today isn't going to be perfect. The video is not going to be perfect, but you know, it's 4K. It's perfectly good. It's stabilized. This thing is an absolute treat because it's got a 24 to 200, and that extra zoom range going up to 200 just gives such flexibility. And it's heavy, but it's relatively lightweight compared to carrying the equivalent of 3 or 4 different lenses in the DSLR body. Also, this think tank holster bag is brilliant. My camera bag, my Shimoda bag is fabulous, and when you need all the gear, tripods and everything else, I could do with a tripod right now actually, then that is the one to go for. But going light just means you can just get up and go really, really quickly and not have to fuss, not have to worry. You just stuff this and the GoPro and the think tank bag and leg it. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And until then, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.